So welcome back to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain which cryptocurrency has the most holders worldwide. So now if you're new to this channel, please do like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Plus commenting down and also trying to share this video because this is valuable information. So after watching this video, try to share this video to other members also to know about this information. Now without wasting time, I think our today's topic I'm going to be explaining more about which crypto has the most holders worldwide. So now, why are we making this type of videos? The reason is as some people try to ask us these questions through our social media platforms. So someone comes to you and says, help me do this type of video to me and try to explain how this and this goes so that they can be in a way that they can try to differentiate these terms. So that's why we come. Most of the comments we use them to make these videos. Now, we as our opinion, crypto review makers, Bitcoin is the largest blockchain-based digital asset with a market capitalization of 432 billion US dollars. Now, when we talk about market capitalization, this is the amount of money which is invested in all these cryptocurrencies ever since it was created. So now, what are you supposed to do? Is you must go, there's a website called CoinMarketCap, go and search on each cryptocurrency which you'd like to know about its market capitalization. So now, market capitalization helps you to see which amount of money has been invested in this cryptocurrency ever since it was created or ever since it became public. So now, when you compare the market capitalization of Bitcoin with other cryptocurrencies, you will see, according to the market capitalization of the whole entire crypto industry, Bitcoin has like over a quarter of its supply as in market capitalization. So if the market capitalization, as for now, I can see it's around 900 billion US dollars, but you can see already Bitcoin has 432 billion US dollars. So now, this market cap was also spotted by me around July 24th, but this exact year. So it's playing around 400 billion US dollars. Okay, it is widely popular among cryptocurrencies and enthusiasts and speculative investors mostly invest their money in this cryptocurrency. So when Bitcoin is widely a popular cryptocurrency, why? First, it is the first cryptocurrency that was originated in the crypto industry. Secondly, it is a global currency, meaning that you can use Bitcoin to get services and goods. You can use Bitcoin to pay utility bills. You can use Bitcoin to eat. You can use Bitcoin, like, the world is a little bit going in another era whereby the world is developing. You cannot be with Bitcoin and you don't afford to buy a car. You cannot be with Bitcoin and you don't afford to get some hotel or restaurant where to get something to eat or sleep. So that's why we encourage you to invest money in cryptocurrencies, most likely Bitcoin, because this is the only way to go. So it's probably a good idea for every cryptocurrency investor to have some exposure to Bitcoin. So that's why I was trying to explain which is far away the largest crypto by market capitalization and also the fastest cryptocurrency. So now Bitcoin, its market capitalization, like I've told you, it's around 400 billion, and we're expecting it to be more because most, like, large amount of people, they haven't uh, innovated this cryptocurrency space, but we still have a lot of people coming in this industry. So we hopefully, we expect Bitcoin capitalization to keep on raising. Why? Because we still have a lot of people coming into the industry. Now, another thing you already know that Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency which was made in this revolution. So now, if you're there and you've watched this video till to the end, thank you guys for appreciating and giving us time. So do not finish this video if you haven't subscribed minus subscribing. So do subscribe to our channel and also share this video plus commenting down the description. For those who would like to know the crypto broker we recommend you to use Binance Limited to start your trading journey. You'll be able to invest in over 600 cryptocurrencies plus trading them. So this is Crypto Daves, your mentors, signing out.